Konti na lang pang lightsaber na. Kung may Tofu Bro, ang Tofu Light ng Photoolex, meron na ring big brother itong tube light natin na B190S. Ito yung B320S and it's bigger and much better, especially if you're using it to fill yung background natin. Di pa rin mawawala yung iba-ibang modes niya sa light na nakasanayan na natin sa mga ibang Photoolex product. It comes with its very own kit. So, meron na rin siyang pouch na kasama. So, if you have an outdoor shoot and you want to set up the mood, you can do so with this light. You can also use this to have it stand up on a surface, like so. Meron na rin siyang kasamang grid. So, parang may honeycomb effect na siya na pwede mong gamitin if you want to control yung spill ng light mo. Instruction manual, charging cable. As someone who likes to play around with different color combinations, I'm so glad that I have a remote na for this light tube. Sobrang handy. Hindi lang yung colors ha, even yung effects you can activate using this remote. Pero dahil mas malaki na nga siya in size at mas malaki na ang capacity niya, you can use this for longer periods of time and to cover more area. So if you're ready to level up your setup, check out yun na, Photoolex B320S.